Hey guys, are you facing difficulty in studying anatomy? Don't worry, I'm going to tell you how to study anatomy. Number 1. Don't forget to buy Atlas. Anatomy is a visual subject, it's also highly volatile, and you need to visualize it to memorize it, and Atlas is the key to it. Number 2. Watch animated videos. It helps you in making mind maps. Number 3. Don't forget to make diagrams. It helps you learn better, and your brain tends to memorize stuff faster that you made by hand. Number 4. Notes, flashcards, and charts. Make regular notes and revise them after your class. Focus on diagrams and label parts, and flashcard for quick revision. Number 6. Spaced repetition. Repetition is the key, and here's how you do it. 1 hour after you memorize it, the next day, 1 week later, a month later, and then 6 months later. Number 7. Take regular tests and quizzes. Tests are very important to check your progress and you become more confident about yourself. Thank you. Now, please, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.